So hello guys. Ito we just finished snorkeling there, and we're going to walk for a while, walking around this island, the helicopter island. I don't know guys why it's helicopter island. I think because of the high mountains. So here I'm very dark already. I am very dark already because of the sun. Okay guys, you know that Filipino don't like to get dark. They would find a way to get their skin very white. For me, I don't care. I don't care if I get my skin dark. I just love the place. I just love the place. Right, Bok? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
We're not going back to Jensen?
No.
No.
There's a little house there. We can
A little house. So
yeah,
what we're going to do there?
nothing.
Ah, okay. So we still have time guys to walk around here in the island, and so we enjoyed our snorkeling today, and after this guys we will go to another destination. So I'm not sure what's the other destination. I forgot the name, so maybe later our guide will tell us what is the next destination we're going. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, thank you. This is my back.